is a test of a custom flight plan. The drone will take off, fly to the standby waypoint, hover there for several seconds. Then it will fly to the camera waypoint, circle it at a narrow radius for a while, then fly 10 meters further out, circle it some more, fly 10 meters further than that, circle it some more, then fly to the standby waypoint and land. Some wind. Hopefully the drone can handle that well. So far it seems to be doing okay. It's hovering at the standby waypoint. Now we're heading over to the camera waypoint, which appears to be over my head. See if I can get out of the way here. Alright, now we're circling the camera waypoint, or at least as best we can circle in the wind. It's actually working pretty well. I'm going to move a little bit further out. Do some more circling. Move a little bit further out still. Do some more circling. Actually going at a pretty good clip this far out. Then we're going to go over to the standby waypoint, I think.